In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scan for viruses on your Windows PC. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So to scan for viruses on your Windows PC, this is a super simple thing to do. The first thing you will need to do from your main screen is come to the bottom left hand corner and go over to the Start menu. Once you click on Start, you will be on this page here, and from here you will need to go to the Settings icon. Once you click on Settings, this is the page you will be on, and from here, as you can see, there is many different options on this little page, and the one we need in today's video is Update and Security. Once you click on Update and Security, you'll be brought to this page, and on the left hand side bar here, there is an option now for Windows Security. If you click on Windows Security, what that will do is bring you here, and as you can see at the top under Protection Areas, there is an option for Virus and Threat Protection. If you click on Virus and Threat Protection, what that will do is it will open up Windows Security, and from here, as you can see, you have got a quick scan option here, and if you want to do a full scan of your computer, what you can do is simply go to Scan Options, where this will bring up this page here, and the options you have is obviously Quick Scan. You then have Full Scan, Custom Scan and Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Pick the one you want and just simply click on Scan Now. Once you click on that, as you can see, the scan has now started running of my computer. Once this has been completed, what it will do is it will show you if your computer has any threat. So that's how you can go ahead and scan your computer for viruses on your Windows PC.